God is great. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Napakabuti ng Panginoon. We're here at Tagaytay, Parkview. Sobrang lakas ng hangin. Hey, good morning. Ayan po, with me is my beautiful Jaira Sayon. Ayan. Natin ang beautiful place ng Parkview. Ito po kami nag-check-in. This is my daughter. Yan. Kagabi, maliligo sana kami, but because of super lamig. Ayan, dito tayo sa baba. Tara. Ayun o. Pasok tayo dun. Hindi namin kayang maligo because it's super lamig ng tubig. So we're here at Parkview. Kasi yung payong. Tingnan mo yung payong. Ayun doon tayo. Pasok tayo doon. No? Tara. Tingnan mo yung payong ko.